Hello and welcome back. Here's how you can auto-tune correctly in FL Studio, a DAW or a music editing program where you can actually sing in it, and then you can actually make a music track and then you record your voice, for example, after setting your BPM or beat per minute. And then you want to actually insert a plugin, for example, a compressor, so that your voice sounds clearer, and then you can add some reverb so that your voice will actually produce this echo kind of feel. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Now, to auto-tune it, there's a plugin. When you actually click on the equalizer icon, just like this one, which is this one, that's to say, and then click here and then head over to a plugin called Pitcher. So it's sung at G major. So change it to major and then change the key to G and then change the gender to male. And then for the speed, you want to decrease it to medium so that, the auto-tune will be, slow. It's not tuning quickly. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. And then you can actually make the tuning faster. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Sounds too distorted, so we'll slow it down. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Sounds perfectly fine, so it doesn't go too fast, which means that there's this melodious kind of element in the, for the voice that we auto-tuned. So that's how you can auto-tune in FL Studio. Thank you for watching, guys. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. For me, it's good day. Ciao.